guys! Welcome to my channel, Stories of Mama Naini. So right now, we're inside my Suzuki Dzire. Here because there were a lot of comments, questions, dun sa isang video ko about F24 dashcam. Lahat po ng questions doon, sinagot ko po lahat isa-isa. And then may isa akong sinagot doon na I would show the actual video na nakukuha ng dashcam para mas masagot at ma-explain ko sa kanila na yes, malinaw, yes, walang glare, mga ganun na mga sagot. Anyway, so here I'm going to show you and also answer some questions. One of the question was if nagtitilt daw yung cam niya, how to fix it. I cannot give the answer po kasi hindi naman ako yung nag-install at saka hindi rin ako vendor. So, it's best siguro na i-contact nyo po yung nag-install. Tsaka I believe na meron pong warranty. If it's still under warranty, you can ask them po. And then another question was, nag-overheat ba ang dashcam? Hindi po. Na long ride na po namin to from Davao to Surigao del Sur. That's 6 hours. We were able to get there siguro around mga 4 to 5 hours lang. Kasi madaling araw yun. But anyway, long ride yon and we've never experienced na nag-overheat ever ang dashcam. And so, later I'm gonna add videos para mas masagot yung question. Thank you very much po sa mga nanood. Sa video na yon, meron po tayong 5,500 views. And yun din po yung video na may maraming mga tanong. So, I really wanna answer questions. And now, I'm gonna give you a little tour lang dito sa ating dashcam. So, currently, ayan, nandito tayo sa file management. May question about reverse. Hanapin ko lang if it's this video. No, this is not the same video. Yan, ayan. Naka-reverse po yan. I'm gonna add the actual video nito kasi pwede ko siyang kunin from the memory. Yan. If you can hear, sinabi na anak ko naka-reverse yan. Yes, nagre-record po. Hindi ko po alam bakit for some, hindi nare-record yung pag-reverse. Automatic po siyang nagre-record kasi we chose the rear view all the time pag bumabiyahe kami. Kasi some people would choose split screen, yung front and rear view or front view lang, but for us it's always rear view. And yes, yan po yung proof na nagre-record siya during nagre-reverse. And then another question was kung malinaw. Let's check one of our biyahe namin ngayon. Kanina lang. Ayan. Makikita nyo naman dyan yung date. Ayan. Rear view. Is this the rear view? No, this is not the rear view. This is the front view. Ayun pala, video B pala, my mistake. I was looking for the rear view. Yan. 31, 33. Ito tayo sa ayan po, sample ng naka rear view. Wala pong mga poste. The lights, may mga poste sa gilid, pero lights coming from the cars lang po yan. Malinaw po. Tsaka umuulan po yan So malinaw po siya kapag umuulan, madilim. Hanapin natin yung isang biyahe namin na medyo malapit talaga sa Ayan, nag-glare siya kapag kunyari nabasa yung cam. Ganyan. Anyway, I'm gonna add the videos later. So, thank you guys for watching. And thank you for more subscriptions, likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Wait, niagi na taglover na no? Wala na ikaw dito. Ha? Ayaw na nila. Ay, inanayon na nila or kulang pa rin ulan. Grabe, bisyan pa nakamax na ako eh. Eh, tama-tama ba yung naban? Kanta para ano yung sila. Mas ka ng engine karon kaya bugno sa gawas. Gusto naman ila-reaction ng video ma.
Ya dong. Anak halo-hilo.
Istorya po siya.
Dapat siya nagpapatong. Bigyan niya ako ng mga Tabangan pa rin niya na natin. Kaon na siya kuya. Kaon na siya gelato. What's the flavor? Monster. And what's the color?
It's blue.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Mom, I that the one you're gonna eat me. The one you're gonna eat me. It's a monster cookie.
Kasi para ani ka ng ulan kayo pag nagbalay mo sa titiyan.
Like cook. It's like cool.
Wait, niagi na taglover na no? Wala na ikaw dito. Ha? Ayaw na nila. Ay, inanayon na nila or kulang pa rin ulan. Grabe, bisyan pa nakamax na ako eh. Eh, tama-tama ba yung naban? Kanta para ano yung sila. naman ila reaction kang DJ ma.
Historiador. Dali anak na halo-hilo.
Istorya po siya.
Dapat siya nagkakatong. Libre gani ako ng mga
Hmm.
Tabangan pa rin niya na natin. Kaon na siya kuya. Kaon na siya gelato. What's the flavor? Monster. And what's the color?
It's blue.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Mom, I even said so. Someone is gonna eat me. Someone is gonna eat me. It's a monster cookie.
Kasi para ani ka ng ulan kayo pag walay mga sa titiyan.
It's like cookie. It's like cookie.